70 years old man.
Hey, let me go and finish my appointment with Obi Kubana. Fine girl. I'm talking to you, fine girl. How are you?
God have mercy upon us.
Without wasting your time, my name is Zerua. Or you can call me Mr. No Green.
This man!
No Green.
No green. Ah, that is no good for anybody.
Anyhow you understand it. Please, I'm going Enugu State now. I have appointment with Obi Kubana, Imon and Juezaza. So can I have your number? Later we'll talk on phone.
Sure, you can.
Okay.
Hey! I hear me, take me, back me.
Oh, sorry, you have appointment with who again? Hey! You have an appointment with Obi Kubana with Gary and Granot. It's not even red Gary. White Gary. That means before that will white red Gary.
About Gary, yeah, just leave about.
I cannot even bear touch this now. Yeah? But I'm not surprised. Look at you now. From heaven.
Don't mind the Gary. Don't mind the Gary. The Gary is
this in jacket or what? Lemon, black, blue.
the clothes I inherited it from my father. It's a very nice clothes.
Bros, let me tell
Do you
you.
feel like going with me?
Let me tell you. Next time, it's not everybody you saw the road that you spoke. You get. Mara your level. Wherever.
Say they why?
He name and we're generally a fake life everywhere. Look at this man.
God have mercy upon us.
Is it okay? Look at this girl who married her. I don't blame her. I blame Papa. I lost someone, lost all that we must
learn the lesson.
It's finished.